Hi, I'm Emmy and this is part 2 of making a basic fiberglass mould. For this next section, you'll need the following tools and the correct personal protective equipment. To begin with, you need to drill in bolt holes. Doing this before opening the mould will ensure that they are in the correct place and that they line up perfectly. I've marked mine out using a permanent marker. Using bolt holes means that you can tighten up your mould, allowing for thin edges. The edges of my fiberglass mould are sharp, so I'm going to use a cutting tool to trim and sand these areas. I'll put a link to the tool I'm using in the description below. Now we can open up the mould. I'm using some tools as well as mixing sticks. This part can take a while, but take your time with it. You don't want to break your mould. With your tools, you want to gently prise them apart, going all the way around the edge. Mixing sticks are good to use once you've released a section, as they will keep that area risen. If you have areas of resin that is cured against the other half of your mould, you can sand these off. Once you've got the two halves apart, you can clean out the clay and your mould is ready to use. Thank you for watching my video, I hope it's been helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see future tutorials.